Standing for over 5,000 years, Stonehenge is one of the world's most iconic prehistoric monuments.
So join us as we take you with us. But first,
we've arrived at Woodhenge on the way. It's only a few minutes from the hotel we stayed at.
This is all part of like the Stonehenge landscape apparently.
English Heritage owns and manages this site.
There's a big sign here to help you understand it when you're here. Yes. And then it looks like a few little stones over there to go and have a look at. So let's go and have a look. It's not actually that cold, is it?
No, it isn't.
It's rained all night, but it's stopped raining now.
There's quite a lot of puddles though.
Yeah.
Woodhenge. Oh, mind the curb. Did you show it properly, did you?
Yeah.
So there's a board over here to explain it a bit.
Probably need that.
Yeah. Well, it's October now. So what do you expect? Like, there's a lot of rain, isn't there? And it's quite mild though for October.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit muddy here. Yeah. So this is Woodhenge, so I will film this, and if you want to stop it and zoom in, welcome.
That's the time of it then. That's quite useful.
Yeah, well look at how it used to look. With the huge stones going up in the air, John.
Oh yeah.
That would have been quite a sight, wouldn't it?
So why is it not now?
They said they could have been decorated. They might be deep in the earth. You know, like they might go down quite far.
Yeah.
It's like quite close to Stonehenge here. So it was built around the same time as Stonehenge. And he's off exploring, the great explorer. You lead us there then, John.
What?
You lead us there then, John.
Which way is it?
I imagine these aren't the actual stones, these are like where the stones were.
Yeah, it's free to get into.
Fact.
Obviously.
Take the boy out of the Yorkshire, but not the Yorkshire out of the boy.
I can hear you.
They were like ditches, and they've just put them in the place of where they would have been. That's why I think people jump on them or sit on them, whatever. This is the centre. Feeling dizzy now.
A little stop off, wasn't it?
Very little. It is actually interesting.
It'd be nice, I suppose, if you, I don't know if you're allowed to walk your dog and stuff here, but
Yeah.
we haven't got a dog, so we'd have to get one.
Yeah. You couldn't like, some of them are quite close, but you couldn't like walk across all of them. They're quite far away from each other, aren't they? As like hopping stones.
Yeah. You might be able to, if you're like.
Yeah, true. We've got 3/4 of an hour now to get to Stonehenge.
It's only 10 minutes away.
I feel the energy running through me. Getting up nicely now, we're getting closer to Stonehenge. It's just up on the brow of that hill, I think. So it says it is anyway, like on the car park. So that hill is vertical, isn't it? It's so steep.
Yeah.
A very big car park, and there's a visitor centre over there. You have to get a transfer coach, don't you? Like a shuttle.
Walk, or you can get the free bus up.
What are we going to do?
Get the bus. So the car park's free for members, or £3 if you're not a member.
A bit early, aren't we?
Yeah.
Is he going to fall over? I'll get it on camera if he does. Third coffee of the day, but this one's like a bit nicer, I think, in my opinion.
Yeah, we're about half an hour early, so just having a coffee in the cafe. So we're on the cruise again.
Yeah, it's at the back with naughty boys at the back of the bus. Lighting up nicely, isn't it?
Yeah.
Pulling the colours of the trees.
Welcome on board the visitor shuttle bus to Stonehenge. Your journey will take about 5 minutes.
You can just walk it, can't you?
Yeah.
Some of the monuments date from before the time of Stonehenge, some from the same time.
The big stones on the outer circle are from Wiltshire area, but the smaller stones on the inner circle are called bluestone, and they're from Wales. And people still don't know how they got them here from Wales, because it's such a huge distance and they're so heavy. Built about 3000 BC, it's about 5,000 years ago. They think that the pyramids were built about 500 years after Stonehenge. The ditch around the actual Stonehenge is actually the henge part. It's the only stone circle in the world to have lintels, which are the bits at the top. couldn't believe how close we could get to them. I thought it'd be much further away than this. So I think those little stones ahead, which you can see right straight ahead, are the blue stones, which are from Wales. And these huge ones with the lintels on top are from Wiltshire, and they are the only like Neolithic circle to have those lintels. How the traffic is slowing down to look at the Stonehenge, and also there's drama. Oh no.
These mounds cover the graves of people that assume were prominent, and they also marked like the fact that it was an important site.
Yeah.
And that it wasn't finished, I think, at the time.
Or long after it'd been finished.
Yeah, long after as well.
You see the henge, like the ditch, a lot more like it's like a moat almost.
Yeah. It's kind of nicer from this side rather than when you first arrive, isn't it?
It's really good. It's a nice. Every side has got its own.
Yeah. It'd be nice in different weather.
Yeah.
Like you see in different.
Sky clearing now.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
If you saw it like sunrise, sunset.
You think?
Monolithic. Midsummer sunrise, you look out that way. You see the sunset from the Heelstone Avenue here. This is the stone hasn't been shaped. It's probably lying on the floor before they said. So we're heading back on the shuttle bus now, and then we're going to go in the visitor centre into the exhibition.
Much bigger than I thought it would, but then at the same time, I thought it was amazing.
Yeah, also I thought you'd get a lot closer than I thought you could.
Yeah, and also, it's sometimes when you go to somewhere, it's not, you see something in TV all the time, or like on pictures, but when you see it up close, it has like a tingly feeling when you see it. Like I had that. Did you?
Yeah.
It's a mead cup. They made a bone, I think.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's quite cool. Stonehenge chocolate in the shape of chocolate.
Building blocks. So these are houses that are based on ones they found at Darlington walls, and they believe that the builders of Stonehenge lived in houses similar to this.
Oh, it's small, isn't it?
Big inside. You see the beds.
Yeah, it's alright once you're in. It's quite high.
You complain about our mattress, but look at that one. You just make out the fire inside.
This is trying to show you how it was possibly transported and how many people it took, I think, looking at that. To say 99 people.
It would take, about 100 longer to move this stone.
Much busier now on the way out.
Yeah.
I'm sure it gets very busy in the summer. Well, that concludes our little trip to Stonehenge.
And we stayed here at the Holiday Inn Salisbury-Stonehenge, which was really convenient.
So if you want to see the room tour, check out that on our channel. Hope you enjoyed what we managed to show you.
Yeah, we had a lovely time here. There's plenty to see and do, but I definitely would come out of season because I think it makes it more magical when there's less people. And I felt like when we first got here, apart from the argument, it was like getting very heated because someone was getting annoyed with someone else with a selfie stick that was hogging the best view, which it wasn't the best view because if you went round further you got a better view, but never mind, they didn't know that. They were having a massive Barney, weren't they?
Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see anything else we make, then have a look on our channel and subscribe if you're interested in watching and keeping up to date with what we do.
Yay!
See you again.
See you again soon. Bye.
And the rest
Stonehenge car park, famous one. The beautiful car park of Stonehenge. It's a burial mound where prominent people might have been buried, but they don't know. Everything is, I don't know this, I don't know that. Oh wow, look at this view, everybody. Look here. Keep all the best things for our followers.